Now in this video we will talk about non-conventional source of energy. Children, non-conventional source of energy are those sources which are recently developed. For example, solar energy. Solar energy, in this solar energy trapped from the sun can be used in solar cell to produce electricity. Many of these cells are joined into a solar panel to generate power. Tropical countries are blessed with abundant sunshine, and India, being a tropical country, have more scope for development of solar energy. Solar energy is used in solar heater, solar cooker, solar dryer, and also to generate electricity. Now here you can see this is solar cooker. Here with the help of solar energy we can cook our food also. This is dish cooker. At the focal point we have a stand where we can put our utensil. So this also generate high amount of heat and mostly used in um, if you have visited Sai Shirdi, there you can see ki most of the food in Shirdi is prepared through this solar energy. Next, this is solar dryer, and here you can see solar water heating system, and this is solar power plant where solar panels are installed to produce electricity. You can see the solar electricity produced is transferred through grid line. Now come to the next slide, that is wind energy. Windmill have been used for grinding grains and lifting water since time memorial. In modern time, windmills, the high-speed wind rotates the windmill, which is connected to a generator to produce electricity. Wind farms are found in Netherlands, Germany, Denmark, UK, USA, and Spain. In India also we have wind farm in Tamil Nadu from Nagarcoil to Madurai. Then come to nuclear energy. As I told you, all the sources of non-conventional, they are eco-friendly except nuclear energy. Nuclear power is obtained from energy stored in the nuclei of atom of natural occurring radioactive elements like uranium and thorium. The greatest producer of nuclear power is USA and Europe. In India, Rajasthan and Jharkhand have large deposit of uranium. Thorium is found in large quantity in monazite sand of Kerala. Children, here you can see some important nuclear power plant located in India. First, Narora in Uttar Pradesh. Second, Tarapur in Maharashtra. Third, Kakrapara in Gujarat. Fourth, Kalpakkam in Tamil Nadu. Fifth, Kota in Rajasthan. And sixth, Kaiga in Karnataka. These are some important nuclear power plant located in India. Now come to the next slide. Geothermal. Children, geothermal. Geo means earth. Geo means earth and thermal means heat. Hence, when we use the heat of the earth to produce energy known as geothermal energy. Now see here, heat energy obtained from the earth is called geothermal energy. Sometimes this heat energy may surface itself in the form of hot spring. USA has the world's largest geothermal power plant, followed by New Zealand, Iceland, Philippines, and Central America. In India, geothermal power plants are located in Manikaran in Himachal Pradesh and Puga Valley in Ladakh. Now, next is tidal energy. Energy generated from the tide is called tidal energy. Tidal energy can be harnessed by building dam at a narrow opening of the sea. Russia, France, and Gulf of Kutch in India have a huge tidal meal farm. Biogas. Organic waste such as dead plant and animal material, animal dung, and kitchen waste can be converted into gaseous fuel called biogas. The organic waste is decomposed by bacteria in biogas digester to emit biogas, which is essentially a mixture of methane and carbon dioxide. Biogas is an excellent fuel for cooking and lighting and produce huge amount of organic manure. Now here you can see the biogas pic. Now children, let's discuss the question I. The first question is, what is solar energy? Second question, what is geothermal energy? Question number 3, name the radioactive element used in nuclear energy. Question number 4, name the gases produced in biogas plant. Question number 5, name the nuclear power plant located in Uttar Pradesh. Children, answer these questions and send in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.